Hello everyone, welcome back. Let's revise some suku kata. Na, ba, ma, sa, ka, ta, ni, bi, mi, si, ki, ti, nu, bu, mu, su, ku, tu. Now let's learn something new. Let's look at this word. In English, we say pop, but in Malay, it should be pop. Pop. Can you hear the difference? Let's do the puff of air test using your hand. Hold your hand in front of your mouth. Say pop in English. Can you feel the air? Now say pop in Malay. Notice there's very little air. In Malay, the three letters here are pronounced more softly than in English, without the strong burst of air when you say them. In English, this letter sound is p. In Malay, we say it more softly without the puff of air. So in Malay, we say p. Here we have p, a, ba, ba. Here it's ba, gu, ba, gu. Baku, it's a nail. Here we have p, e, b, b. Here it's two times of the same suku kata. So this is b, 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 b. B, it's the cheek. Here we have b, u, bu, bu. Here it's bu, tih, bu, tih. Putih is the color, white. Let's practice saying the suku kata. Pa, bi, bu, bu, ba, bi, bi, bu, ba. How do we write this letter? Can you see three lines here? 1, 2, and 3. This is the first line, middle line, and the bottom line. we're going to write a small letter or a lowercase letter. So put your pencil on the middle line. Draw a straight line down, but don't stop here. It has to go past the bottom line. So this is the bottom line. Go past the bottom line, and then from the middle line, draw a small curve touching the bottom line and stop when you touch the straight line here. Okay, let's write this again. Put your pencil on the middle line. Draw a straight line down past the bottom line, and then from the middle line, okay, make a small curve touching the bottom line and touch the straight line here and stop. So this is how we write a small letter. To help you remember where the curve is, let's put a pig's face here with the snout. Okay, so I hope this will help you remember where the curve is. Put your curve here on the right. Remember the snout is here. Okay, so that's all we have for now. Remember, the more you practice, the better you get. Bye-bye. I'll see you again.